36.5 degrees. It's hard to get these things hotter because the plastic is so thick. It is a proper either etching container or photo development container, I think. It was from my dad, so I guess it's a photo developer container. I looked those up. These are really expensive and I wanted to buy one. Now I have two, so I'm very pleased. My dad had a hobby in photography, but they're ideal for as you know, etching as well. So I did my first test on the remaining piece of mylar that I had on the table. It's the complete design. Cleaned it up, taped it to a piece of cutting mat because I wanted to have something that holds it down. So let's see if this works out. Maybe I'll grab something to get it out of the water as well. So, got some gloves. Hopefully this fits, barely. Should have had more etching, but I don't. Seeing if it etched is probably a problem. How am I gonna check this? I think it etched away already. So I'll move my etching container to the side. Try to Ow, this is hot. I think this might be success. That looks insane. Very nice. That's cool, that wasn't hard at all. It was fast as well. Ooh. Even the tiniest amount that was covered is still there. So you cannot see it with the naked eye, but in between these big pieces there's even a tiny trace that is so thin I can hardly see it. Wow, that's a good day. Far easier than I thought it would be. So if you have several, you can do like a few. Bum 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 bum. Now the only downside is that, of course, etching two at the same time would be nicer. But then I need to use this as an etching container, but I don't know what I would use for heating it. Maybe heat the acid before I put it in, something like that. because here I could etch two like this and have enough room to you know, enough mylar left to use later on to stretch it up. This one was a test piece, but I think I'm gonna try and stretch it and glue it to a frame. It will be the wrong impedance because this is 9 micron aluminium. I wanted to use at least 12. The only problem is my mylar laminates. I don't have this 12-12, so 12 mylar, 12 aluminium. I only have 23 micron mylar, which is rather thick, or 25 aluminium, 23 mylar. The only 12-12 I got is the aluminium foil I once got from a friend of mine, the clear one, which is nice, but it is so dirty that chance of the paint falling off is a little bigger there. Although I need to clean this foil as well, so I might as well try that. I mean, yeah, probably will. Maybe I'll leave the paint on. Looks kinda cool if I clean it up. Black. This really is really stunning. Far better than I thought it would be. I used a longer program, so more passes to create a nice crisp image. Let me check how long the laser was busy with this. So it was lasering away for 16 minutes, which is rather long. I shaved off a little bit of the time now because I removed one pass out of 6, so that will gain a few minutes. But this is really, I'm pleased with this. Maybe I'll clean it up or leave it like this. Really pleased.